As a college student, I think exam week is probably the moment when you realize how messy your notes actually are. Because during the semester, you convince yourself everything is organized enough. Then, exam week starts. And suddenly you're scrolling through random screenshots, unfinished notes, lecture recordings you never replayed, and study discussions you barely remember. And honestly, that was literally me last semester. I had hours of lecture recordings saved on my phone from classes, review sessions, and study meetings. But realistically, who actually has the energy to replay a 2-hour lecture recording during exam week, especially when you already have multiple subjects to review, deadlines to finish, presentations coming up, and barely enough sleep. And the worst part is knowing the information you need was discussed somewhere in the recording. You just can't remember where anymore. That's honestly the frustrating part. The information exists but it still feels unusable because everything is cluttered. And instead of focusing on actually understanding the topics, you waste so much time trying to organize information first. That's why I got interested in PLAUD Note. And honestly, after using it during lectures and exam prep, this feels less like a recorder and more like AI study assistant. And what I really like is that it's actually really simple to use. Basically, before a lecture, review session, or study discussion starts, I just connect the PLAUD Note to the PLAUD app and tap record once. Then, I can just leave it on the desk or beside my laptop while I focus normally on listening, studying, or taking notes without stressing about trying to write down every single detail. And that's what makes it feel practical for actual student life. You don't really have to manage anything complicated while studying, then after the recording ends, everything automatically syncs into the PLAUD app. And this is where the AI part becomes really useful, because instead of just giving you one giant audio file that you still have to replay later, PLAUD actually processes the information for you automatically. So after recording, it turns everything into a transcript, a summary, and a visual mind map. And honestly, I think that's the biggest difference compared to normal recording apps. And honestly, the feature that completely sold me was the AI mind map, because when I first watched it generate from one of my actual lecture recordings, instead of staring at one giant 2-hour recording and trying to remember where certain topics were discussed, everything suddenly becomes organized visually. The main topic appears first, then the supporting concept branch out outward, then the explanations and subtopics organize themselves automatically. So instead of replaying an entire lecture recording over and over just to find one important explanation, you can actually understand the structure of the lesson immediately. And during exam week, that honestly matters a lot, because students during finals don't just need recordings anymore. Like normally, after recording lectures, I still have to re-listen to recordings, pause every few minutes, write summaries manually, organize concepts, and create reviewers from scratch. But with PLAUD, a lot of that structure already gets created for you automatically after recording. So instead of spending hours fixing messy notes before you can even start studying, you can focus more on actually understanding the concepts. There are also a few other features that make it really practical for student life. One thing I generally found useful is that PLAUD supports 112 languages, including mixed language conversations. So even if your professor switches between English and Tagalog during lectures, the transcription still works properly, which separate who said what during discussions or study meetings. Also, using PLAUD on desktop makes reviewing recordings even more efficient. Once the audio is synced, PLAUD automatically generates a transcript, highlight key points, create a concise summary, and turn your notes into AI-powered mind maps. You can also use Ask PLAUD to chat with your recordings, find specific information, and get instant answers from your notes. The best part is that everything syncs across your phone and desktop, giving you flexible access to transcript, highlight summaries, AI mind maps, and Ask PLAUD wherever you study. I also like that it's physical device instead of just another software app or browser tab open on my laptop. The PLAUD Note itself, it's really slim, easy to carry around, and honestly just fits naturally into a normal student routine. I think this is especially useful for students trying to protect their time and mental energy during busy weeks. Students balancing difficult classes or work, internships, research projects, and non-stop deadlines all at once. Because once college gets overwhelming, you realize your time becomes extremely valuable. So if you're currently dealing with non-stop lectures, review sessions, deadlines, and exam week stress, I genuinely think the PLAUD Note is one of those tools that can actually make a real difference in your workflow.
This presentation will cover the fundamental concepts, functions. So at this slide, the table of contents, this is to guide our discussion, and these are the topics that we will be covering. Organization management provides direction and coordination to help organizational succeed.
What is organization management? Organization management refers to the process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve organizational objectives.
Identifying priorities and determining the best course of action.
Organizing involves assigning tasks, allocating resources.
An organizational structure defines how tasks, responsibilities, and authority are distributed within an organization. It provides a framework for communication and decision-making. Different organizations adopt different structures depending on their size and goal. Functional structure. In a functional structure, employees are grouped according to their areas. We have next our divisional structure.
Okay, let's talk about the leadership in organizations. So effective leaders create visions, influence employees, and foster a positive work environment. Next is the leadership styles, which is the autocratic, democratic, transformational, transactional, and laissez-faire.
That ends our presentation. Thank you for listening and have a nice day.